Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your keyboard into a musical instrument from your browser. Here all you have to do now, you can open your browser and you can access patatab.com. So here after you access, immediately you have to press any key A to Z or spacebar and turn up the speakers. And to start, here we go. So here you can try to combine the sound, or you wanna combine with the other music app, for example like Spotify, and create your own music only with keyboard from your browser. And here you can try to change, or you can access another web here, like type a tone. And curatorial inquiries, merchandise, and so on. And here this is how you can adjust the volume and so on. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.